Okay, let's go over this problems. This is YouTube number 16. So the first problem here, like I said, always you can stop the video and try it yourself. So for this one, for the first one here, a shopper buys notebooks at $2.40 each and pens at 90 cents each. The shopper spends $16.80 in total. The number of pens is twice the number of notebooks. How many pens did the shopper buy? Alright, so let's go over it. What information we have here? We have the price for each notebook and the price for each pen. So the total price comes from the cost of pens, so cost of pens, the number of pens times the price of each one. So we say P for pens, so number of pens P times 90 cents. And the cost of notebook equal to the number of notebook N for price of each one. So we have 2.40 times N. So if we write our equation, it will be 0.9 or 0.90 P plus 2.40 N equal the total cost, which is $16.80. But this equation we cannot solve because it has two unknown, two variables, P and N. P is the number of pens and N number of notebooks. But we have more information in the problem. They said the number of pens is twice. P twice, two times the number of notebooks. So from here we can substitute for one of the variable in terms of the other, and we create equation with one variable. What we're looking for? We look for the number of pens. It's better to have P, get rid of the N. So if I get rid of the N equal P over 2. So our equation now, it will be 0.090 P plus 2.40. And instead of N, I'm going to put P over 2. That equal 1680. And from this equation, I'm going to find my answer. It's a good idea to get rid of the decimal. So what about you multiply both sides by 100? So you're going to get 9P plus 24 times P over 2 equal 1680. Right? So if I multiply, no, actually I multiply by 10, multiply both sides by 10. So that's what I'm going to get, 168. Alright, so 2 goes in 24, 12 times, so I have 9P plus, you divide 24 over 2, that's going to give you 12 times P equal to 168. Combine the like terms, you have 21P equal 168. Now you divide both sides by 21, get P by itself. So P gonna give you 8. Right? If you divide 168 over 21, that should be 8. And your answer is choice C. That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's go to the next one. Give it a try. Alright, a train's elevation increases from 1,200 feet at mile marker 10 to 1,520 feet at mile marker 18. what is the rate of change of elevation in feet per mile. Rate of change is the slope. So consider we have two order pair. We have the mile, it was 10, and the elevation it was 1200. And we have another point, the mile marker it was 18 and the elevation was 1520, and from here we can find the rate of change. So rate of change equal the difference of miles over the difference of elevation, or divided by the difference of mile, which is difference of y over difference of x. So we have 1520 minus 1200 over 18 minus 10. So from here you're gonna get, if you subtract, you should get 320, right? 320 over 8, and that's gonna give you 40, and that's what we're looking for. So the rate of change is 40, which is choice B. Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is here, number 3. Give it a try. The mean of 5 numbers is 10. The mean is the average. 4 of the numbers are 5, 7, 9, and 11. What is the 5th number? What is the mean? What is the average? Average is a number, the sum of the numbers over the number of numbers. So the mean equal the sum of all numbers divided by how many numbers we have here. We have 5 over 5. So the sum equal to 5 times the mean, right? Or let's do it this way so I don't want you to get confused. So let's multiply both sides by 5. So the mean multiply by 5. What is the mean? They said the mean is 10. So 10 equal to the sum divided by 5. So that means the sum equal to what? If you multiply both sides by 5 is 50. The sum equal to 50. We already know 4 of them. We know we have a 5, 7, we have a 9, and we have 11, and we don't know what is the 5th number that equal to 50. So if you add that, the 20 is here, 12, so that should be 30, right? 32, just make sure I don't want to make any mistake. It's 15 plus, yeah, that's correct. So that is 35. So 35 plus x equal to 50. Subtract 35 from both sides, and that's gonna give you is that correct? Just let me check something quick. Alright, this one is 30, I'm sorry, that's not 35, 32, 12 and 20 is 32. So we have 32 plus x equal 15. Subtract 32 from both sides, so x equal to 18. And that is the 5th number. That number is missing, which is this answer. Alright, so let's go to the last one here, number 4. You can give it a try. You can stop the video and try it. Alright, so for this one, a car travel for 2 hours at an average speed of 48 miles per hour, then for 1 hour at an average speed of 60 miles per hour. What is the car's overall average speed? So the average speed, overall average speed, that comes from what? Comes from the total distance, right? Divided by the total time. And the total distance, the distance from the first part, which is 2 hours. So how can I get the distance of the 2 hours? You multiply the speed by the time. That is the distance, which is 48 multiplied by 2, plus for the second part, which is 1 hour, and the distance with the speed was 60, so you multiply 60 times 1. That is the total distance, divided by the total time, which is 2 hours plus 1 hour. So what we have now, 96 plus 60 over 3. We have 156 over 3, and that's going to give you 52. So the answer is choice A.